Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 12 lesson 7 alter table statement. Alter table statement can be used to change the structure of an existing table. It can be used to add, drop, rename, modify a column, and also it can be used to change a table from read write to read only to deny DML operations. To add a new column to an existing table, we can use this alter table statement syntax: alter table, table name, add, and then open braces, and specify the new column here and the data type, comma, column, data type, and so on. Alter table add can be used to add multiple columns at the same time to an existing table. To drop a column from a table, you can use this syntax: alter table, table name, drop, and between braces you can specify the columns that you want to drop. Here in this example, alter table emp90 add first name varchar 250. Here we add a new column, first name, data type of this column varchar 250 to an existing table called emp90. This is the structure of the table before the change, and this is the structure of the table after the change. As we can see, this is the new column, first underscore name varchar 2, and the size is 50. If you try to select from the table after adding the column, select star from emp90, as we can see, because this is a new column, a null value will be used for all records. Here in example 2, we drop a column from a table, alter table emp90 drop first name. We drop the column called first name. If you run describe command, as we can see, the table now contains only 4 columns and first name dropped from the table. We can use alter table to rename a column. Alter table, name of the table, rename column, the old name to, and this is the new name of the column. For example here, alter table emp90 rename column an underscore sal to annual underscore sal. So this is the structure of the table before change. As we can see, this is an underscore sal. After the change, this is the column after renaming the column. Select star from emp90. As we can see, the column name now is annual underscore sal. We can use alter table modify to change a column's data type, size, and default value. Change the default value affects only subsequent insertion to the table. It will not affect the existing data in the table. Here, for example, we have a table emp90. The last name is varchar 225, as we can see. Alter table emp90 modify. Modify, as we discussed, can be used to change the default value of the column, the data type of the column, or the size of the column. Here we are changing the size of the column. Last name varchar 2, instead of 25 we put here 50. After you run this alter statement, you can describe the command. As we can see, after the change, last name now contains varchar 2 and the size is 50. You can also try to select from the table, and these are the records in the table. Here in example 2, we are trying to decrease the size of the last name column. Alter table emp90 modify last name varchar 2 6. Oracle returns an error, cannot decrease column length because some value is too big. So the current existing data, here the first record is King, Kochar, and Dihan. The length of the value here in this case is 7, which is greater than the new size. In this case, alter table modify last name varchar 26 will fail. You can also use alter table to change the table to read only. Alter table, for example, employees read only. When you put the table in read-only mode, DML operations that affect the table are prohibited. You cannot do any DML operation. DDL statements are allowed as long as they don't modify any data in the table. Index operations on read-only table are allowed. You can create index, drop index, and so on. Specify read-write to change the read-only table to a read-write mode. You can put here, instead of read-only, you can put read-write to revert the table employees to read-write mode. This is an example, alter table emp90 read only. Select star from emp90. The table contains 3 records in this case. Trying to do a DML statement, insert into the statement here failed. Update operation not allowed on table HR EMP90 because the table in read-only mode. Change the table back to read-write, alter table EMP90, read-write. Try to do an insert statement. The insert succeeded. So in this lesson, we learned how to use alter table statement to add a new column, to remove a column, to modify a column, and to change the table from read-write to read-only or from read-only to read-write. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.